Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Faraway. In this video I'm going to show you how to paint some rims. These rims are from the Nissan 350Z. So after painting the rims and the mirrors that I need, I'm going to show you the car, how it came out. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, first of all I'm starting with DA, trying to reach as much as possible. Okay, all these corners I'm not able to reach, but I'm gonna do it by hand. I'm using 320 on the DA, and I'm gonna be using 320 on the hand also. After that, I'm gonna start scuffing it down, just making everything smooth, and it'll be ready. I'm gonna be painting them through the inside and out. All right, so let's get to it. All right, guys, the inside of the rims are already painted. I did that like a day before. So I didn't want the video to be that long, so I painted that. But I'm going to show you how to do it, to paint the outside of the rim, the one that's everybody sees. That's going to be the process of this. I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright guys, these are ready. Let me show you how I covered it up, how I taped all this area, and get it ready. Let me show you. Alright, what I'm doing, I'm cutting little strips of tape. I'm putting them in there. That way I can make all the way around, and then I'll start covering it up. That's just the only way that can be done. So let me show you. Alright guys, after you finish taping it up, this is the way it's gonna look. Now what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna start covering it up. So let me show you how to cover the rest of the wheel. Alright, after putting this on, I just got the masking tape, did a circle all around just to secure the paper. All right, guys, and that's the way to do it. All you need to do is just clean them up with some wax and grease remover and start spraying. All right, guys, this is it. Everything's covered. Those are the mirrors right there. And I'm gonna start spraying. Right there, I'm gonna give you a close look at the rims. And the mirrors. All right. What I did right now, I sprayed the Bulldog, the adhesion promoter on the little center caps, because those are plastic, so I don't want that thing delaminating. So I added some adhesion promoter on those little center caps. Everything's gonna go black. So that's one of the reasons I added that. All right, let me continue. All right, guys, this is going to be the first coat of paint, and it's going to be at 29 psi. All right, guys, this is going to be the third and final coat of paint at 29 psi.
Alright guys, this is going to be the first coat of clear, and it's going to be shot at 35 psi. Alright, this is going to be the third and final coat of clear. I'm still shooting it at 35 psi, and you can see the shine coming out.
All right, guys. Right now, it's been a couple of hours drying, and let me get you a close-up look on the rims. Right there, guys. Nice and shiny, nice and wet. So this is 3 coats of paint and 3 coats of clear right here. All right. After this, I'm gonna let it dry overnight, and then I'll start unmasking it. I still need to put these rims are gonna have like a red line all the way around, so I still need to put that. I'll show you how I do that. That way, you guys, if you want to install that on your rims, well, I'll show you how. All right. Okay, this is a red line that I'm going to be putting. So let's get to it. Like I said, guys, I've never installed this, so you're learning as I am. Okay, what I'm doing, what I found the easiest is, it has a little lip here that I'm pressing on the very edge of the rim, and I'm just sticking it down. That seems to be working perfect. There it is, guys. Right here, it has these little tabs right there with some super glue that it's gonna cover that. I'll put that right now, but there it is. That's the way it looks. Gives it a different look on the rim. This is a very, very sticky 3M tape. Wow. So if it's there, it's there. It ain't going nowhere. All right, let me continue. All right, guys, and that's how you do that. I already placed these little things. I used my own super glue. The one it came with was not that good. But that's it. The only part that you need to use super glue is to put these little tabs right there. That's where the two lines meet. Other than that, the glue that it has on the line is extremely sticky, so you're not gonna have a problem with that. And that's the way it is. Right there, guys. These are the valve stem covers. They're also red. The bolts that are gonna go to hold the wheel are also red. And that's it. That's the way it looks. Close up view. That's it, guys. All right, guys, this will be it for this video. This the way how to paint the rims. Let me show you real quick from the inside. It's also painted, so that's the way it is, guys. All right, guys, this will be it for this video. Guys, don't forget to like the video, share the video, hit the little thumbs up. That helps a lot also. Guys, hit the link below. Help me out if you can. Also, guys, hit the little bell icon. The little bell icon will notify you whenever I upload a video. And there's another video coming up of the Nissan 350Z. That'll be the last video for it. That'll be showing you the entire car, how it came out. All right. So I also put some racing seats inside that car, so I'm gonna show you that also. I also painted the calipers. They're red also, so it's gonna stand out with the black. And that's about it, guys. I still need to install these mirrors, but other than that, the car's ready. Like I said, the next video is gonna be showcasing the car. All right, guys. Okay, guys. Well, thank you very much. Have a good week. Happy New Year again. And God bless. See you next week.